Hey everybody, this is Dwayne, and I'm back here at Six Flags over Georgia. It's media day. Had some great rides. Twisted Cyclone, but let's do a walk around here. Just want to take a quick look at things. Kind of a little 360 walk around tour. Slow day here, but you look to the left, you see the new Johnny Rockets. It's a nice blue roof, and you have brand new seating outside. But to the right, you have the queue area. You now are going to pass over again close to the Dippin' Dots. Of course, Twisted Cyclone is there for everyone to watch from the outside. And so yeah, this looks pretty good. Now let's walk towards the queue area, and I'm actually going to walk through the exit. The ride exits out to a merchandising building. You can get your ride photo and some t-shirts. So a nice little selection here for those who like some souvenirs. But let's walk up the exit ramp and see if we can get some decent shots. And of course you can look from right to left and kind of see what all is going around. Pick whatever spot you like. Let's walk up this exit ramp and see what we can see. As you're probably noticing, all this brand new wood, all the ramp, everything has been redone. Of course, brand new ride attraction, so definitely thrilled about that. If you look to the right, you'll notice, of course, the lift hill. If you look to the left, you'll see the exit area. And as you get to the little turning point here, pretty good photo opportunity, kind of like the old Georgia Cyclone had. It's a good spot. You can sit there and watch people go over that wave turn and up and over into some of these nice little ejector airtime pops. Pretty good experience. So we're going to wait here and see if we can get another run here on Media Day, and we'll take a peek at that. Just hold on tight, and we'll be there. Okay, sounds like they're dispatching. Everyone's clapping, so that's a good thing. And the lift hill motor, if you look to the left there a little bit more, you'll see that it's a pace, and there's a train. Feel free to follow the train up the hill. Speeds of 50 miles an hour right over the hill into the reverse roll. And that will lead, there we go, going upside down there, back again, and then popping right up into this wave turn. If you move a little bit to the left, you'll see some more left. If you're looking at right, you'll see the train fly by. More airtime. The backside has a great inversion. And there we are. Should be hitting the brake run.
After you're done, you can come back here and shoot more.
There we go. So there you have it, folks. Great little sneak peek at some different angles. You can look at the Twisted Cyclone from the exit ramp once you get off the ride. Some great photo opportunities and some nice new theming out in front as well. So if you haven't subscribed yet, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Again, Coaster Addict, we're here at Six Flags over Georgia covering Twisted Cyclone. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you soon.